When it comes to enhancing your home's comfort and lowering utility costs, energy-efficient doors play a crucial role. In Scott, where weather patterns can fluctuate and energy bills rise quickly, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is one of the smartest home improvements you can make. This guide walks you through everything you need to know about energy-efficient door installation, from choosing the right materials to maximizing long-term performance. Why energy efficiency matters for doors. Your exterior doors are a primary barrier between indoor comfort and outdoor conditions. Poorly insulated or improperly installed doors allow drafts, moisture, and heat transfer, all of which impact your home's energy use. Energy-efficient doors are specifically designed to minimize air leaks and thermal exchange, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. In Scott, where humidity and heat can affect materials, efficient doors also protect against warping, condensation, and long-term structural damage. By installing an energy-efficient door, you can potentially save up to 30% on annual heating and cooling costs while improving overall comfort and indoor air quality. Key features of energy-efficient doors. When selecting a new door, it's important to look for performance indicators that signify true efficiency. Insulated cores. The core of the door should be filled with high-density polyurethane or polystyrene foam. These materials prevent heat transfer far better than hollow or solid wood cores. Low-E glass. If your door includes glass panels, look for low emissivity, low-E coatings that reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light to enter. Weather stripping. Quality weather stripping around the edges of your door prevents air leaks and enhances thermal insulation. Energy Star certification. Always check for the Energy Star label, which ensures the door meets strict efficiency standards established by the U.S. Department of Energy. These components work together to reduce heat loss, minimize drafts, and improve your home's overall insulation performance. Choosing the right door material for Scott's climate. Scott homeowners can choose from a variety of materials, each offering different benefits for energy efficiency. Fiberglass doors. Highly durable and resistant to humidity and temperature fluctuations. Fiberglass doors offer excellent insulation and require minimal maintenance. Steel doors. Known for strength and security, steel doors feature foam cores that provide great insulation, but they should have proper thermal breaks to prevent heat conduction. Wood doors. While classic and elegant, wood doors require regular maintenance and can be less energy efficient unless treated and sealed properly. Composite doors. Made from a blend of materials, composite doors provide the best of both worlds, the look of wood with the durability and insulation of synthetic materials. When considering which material suits your needs best, factor in Scott's humid subtropical climate, which can test the endurance of less resistant materials. The importance of professional installation. Even the most energy-efficient door won't perform well if it's not properly installed. Professional installation ensures a tight fit, correct alignment, and effective sealing. Experienced installers use precision tools and techniques to eliminate air gaps and prevent energy loss. In addition, professional installers in Scott are familiar with local building codes and weather challenges. They'll ensure your door is mounted securely, sealed against moisture, and optimized for peak energy performance year-round. Maintenance tips for long-term efficiency. Once your new door is installed, a few maintenance steps can help preserve its performance. Inspect seals and weather stripping twice a year for wear or gaps. Clean glass panels with non-abrasive cleaners to maintain low-E coating effectiveness. Lubricate hinges and locks to prevent warping or misalignment. Repaint or reseal wooden doors annually to protect against moisture and UV exposure. Regular care ensures your door continues to operate efficiently for many years, keeping your energy bills low and your comfort high. Final thoughts. Installing an energy-efficient door in your Scott home isn't just about improving aesthetics. It's a practical investment that enhances comfort, security, and sustainability. From selecting the right materials to ensuring professional installation, every step contributes to long-term performance and cost savings. With the right door, You can create a more energy-efficient, eco-friendly home while enjoying lower utility bills and a more comfortable living environment all year round.